Alright, so this is my 1969 Mercedes. It is a 250, and I figured I would show you guys the before and after of replacement of speakers. So in here there's there's dual 3.5-inch speakers. This would have originally had one big oval shaped speaker, but previous owner upgraded it, I guess. Yeah, so that's that, and I'll hope I don't get copyright claimed for this, but put it into accessory, turn on the radio.
Call it soldier, call it.
Let's see if we got any stations. So yeah, that kind of showed you that's all pretty bouncy. Well, I'm gonna take out the 4 screws and hold this grill on. Gonna merge the stuff together on these new speakers, and we'll see what happens. Alright, so our 4 screws are out. Yeah, so then that pulls right off. Here's the grill. Yeah, kind of dirty. Could be worse. And yeah, there's just 2 screws on either side there. That's just the screw that's conjoining them together. And yeah, you can see these things are just rotted to high hell. They need to go. So while I'm at it, I might as well clean out that little crevice before I put them back in. And yeah. Alright, speakers are out, and this is kind of just tied up on here, and I've got the other speaker cable tied up there. You can see there is a air duct that goes to these vents. And yeah, it kind of just goes up in there past the firewall. Yeah, it's kind of down in there. But yeah, so this is all empty now. Just gotta give this a little cleaning, take out the new speakers, and conjoin them. So I wrapped a headlamp around the headrest, so I've got one more hand free, I guess. I don't have to use my pen lamp right now. Cleaned out that part. Also, yeah, if you haven't noticed, this is snow. First snowfall of the year, actually. It's this bad, at least. So here's my new speakers. They are just dual dash speaker KFC-835C, 40 watt peak power. Yeah, dual cone stuff. So I'm gonna unbox these, and actually I'll show you here. These ones are just conjoined right here like that, so that it fits, and terminals are on sides like that and that. Yeah, these are Alpine 6137AX, and yeah, so I don't know. Yeah, let's see here. I'll join the new ones up, and yeah. Alright, got one of the new speakers out already, and figured I'd just show you guys a comparison. Just look at this, compared to that ugly piece of junk. No offense. But these are, I swear, these are the exact same speaker, just one's relabeled. They're identical. I mean, if I turn this one this way, yeah, everything on them lines up except for that little terminal block. But it's interesting. Alright, so new speakers have been successfully joined together, and the new speakers did actually come with new hardware, which is nice, but I just decided to reuse the old rusty hardware anyways. Yeah, so just gotta reconnect these electrical things and screw it down and hope for the best. Let's hope that it actually works. Figure before I actually bolt them down, give the radio a test. Let's see. Oh. On. Let's just put it on the Christmas station. If it decides to. Come on.
nature preserves, local boutiques, and family-friendly entertainment. Savor delicious seafood while taking in water views and...
Imagine that. So much better than those garbage. Just listen to this.
NorthMyrtleBeach.com. Ever have one of those?
Wow. So much better. Come on. Yeah, so much better. After a good amount of struggle, I finally got them in. Yeah, not as good as I was hoping. You can kind of see those two overlap a little bit, but I mean, from a distance, you don't really notice anything. It's fine. The old ones were the same way. Alright, so you may notice there's a bump right here. That's because the speakers won't stay down all the way for whatever reason. I'm gonna have to take the grill off anyways because, well, tomorrow I'm gonna have to do that because I want to clean off the dashboard, but just for this video's sake, I figured I'd put it back on. Let's put the car in accessory. Turn on the radio. Let's see here what we've got. Yeah, I'll just put it on the Christmas station. Someone to rely on. I mean, hey, that's a lot better. I just don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, so pretty sweet. Yeah, so that's a lot better than it was. And yeah, that wraps up this video. So this isn't really going to be educational. It's more so just I figured I'd make a video of it because why not? But some people could probably use this as an educational video. I don't know. But, yeah. I don't know. But yeah, that wraps that up. So, until next time.